Before buying a wireless outdoor camera, there's one thing product pages never tell you. Battery claims and cloud promises break down the moment real alerts start piling up. Most cameras look perfect in studio photos, but triggers, night lighting, and storage rules reveal the truth, so you need to know what actually matters. Product number 1. HITELLARCAM 2 KCB54W First Impression. HITELLARCAM's CB54W is a shockingly affordable 2K wireless outdoor camera at $27.98, with a 4.4-star rating from 4,356 reviews and 6,000 units sold last month. What grabbed me was the price-to-specs ratio: 2K UHD, full-color night vision, and claimed 16 months battery life. If you want high-detail daytime and color night footage without paying a premium, this deserves a serious look. Why this solves your problem? The 2K resolution means you can actually zoom in and identify a face or a license plate further away than on 1080p, important if you need evidence. The built-in LED lights give full-color night vision, so darkness won't hide details. Free cloud storage plus local SD support, up to 256 GB, covers backups. Note the free plan limits HD to SD quality, which matters if you rely on cloud-only storage. Dual-band Wi-Fi support too, 4 GHz and 5 GHz, reduces lag and dropouts, and the manufacturer claims the battery can last 60 days with 100 triggers per day, practical for porches or occasional motion zones. Honest flaw and why it's still worth it. Look, some reviews call out the cloud plan limitations and that HD over cloud needs a paid tier. Others say battery life varies wildly depending on triggers, and that's true. Here's the thing though, for $27.98 you get local SD backup and dual-band Wi-Fi, so if you set sensible motion zones and use local storage, it's a very strong budget choice. If you expect constant high-traffic monitoring, this might frustrate you. Who should buy this? This is perfect if you want the most bang for your buck: 2K detail and color night vision without blowing your budget. Skip it if you need guaranteed multi-month battery life under heavy triggers or you require HD cloud-only backups. Value-wise, it's hard to beat at this price. Now, if the CB54W's dependency on recharging or paid cloud bothered you, the next option removes the battery worry entirely with solar power. Product number 2. AOSU Solar 360. First impression. The AOSU Solar camera is a $69.99 wire-free option that caught my eye because it promises 100% continuous power via a fixed solar panel and a 360 panoramic PTZ view. Rated 4.3 stars from 4,251 reviews and 2,000 purchases last month, it feels positioned for people who hate swapping batteries. If you want uninterrupted, hands-off outdoor monitoring powered by sunlight, this is worth a serious look. Why this solves your problem? The solar panel means you can install the camera up high and forget about it, great for sheds, driveways, or remote gates. The 360-degree pan and real 2K resolution let you cover an entire yard without multiple cameras. You can tap the app to pan where you need detail. Human auto-tracking focuses and follows people, which increases the chances of clear evidence when something happens. Simple app-based installation and IP65 weatherproofing keep it usable year-round. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you don't want the chore of recharging batteries, the continuous solar power model replaces that maintenance entirely. Honest flaw and why it's still worth it. I'll be real, the camera only supports 4 GHz Wi-Fi, so if you run a 5 GHz only network or have congested 4 GHz channels, you'll hit limits. A few users also complain about noisy pan movements or jerky tracking at night. Here's the thing though, if your mounting spot gets solid daily sun and your router supports 4 GHz, the convenience of never changing a battery outweighs those issues. The pan mechanics may not be silky smooth, but they do cover blind spots. Who should buy this? Buy this if you have a sunny installation point and want one camera to cover wide areas without battery chores. Skip it if your location is shaded, you need 5 GHz support, or you expect super smooth PTZ performance. Price-wise, at $69.99 it's mid-range for a solar PTZ camera. Alright, that solar setup is great for power, but if you prefer a system with local base storage and much longer battery claims, the next one goes a different direction. Product number 3. AOSU WirelessCam Pro System. First impression. The WirelessCam Pro System is a bundled solution priced at $129.99, rated 4.4 stars from 3,476 reviews and 500 purchases last month. What stood out is that it's a 2-camera kit with a dedicated base that includes 32 GB local storage, no subscription required. If you want a multi-camera home system with long battery life and true local recording, this is worth a serious look. Why this solves your problem? The system solves 2 pain points most buyers face: storage reliability and battery maintenance. The included base stores footage locally, 32 GB, and claims 243 60 days of recording depending on settings, so you don't have to trust cloud tiers. Each camera offers true 2K HD and a 166 ultra-wide angle lens, so you cover more ground with less overlap and still read details. The cameras report a 240-day battery life in lab conditions, 40 events a day, which means fewer climbs to recharge. Camera-to-camera track and sync also makes incident review easier by linking feeds from different angles. Honest flaw and why it's still worth it. This system is pricier and bulkier than single cameras, and some buyers noted the base is proprietary mix and match with other brands is limited. A few reviews call out setup quirks when adding extra cameras. Here's the thing though, if you value local encrypted storage and want to avoid monthly fees, that proprietary base becomes a strength, not a weakness. It's more of an investment for homeowners who want a cohesive, subscription-free setup. Who should buy this? Perfect for homeowners who want a short list of cameras that work together with long battery life and local backup. Skip this if you need a single, cheap camera or want to mix brands. For value, you're paying more upfront but avoiding ongoing subscription costs. If you like the idea of long battery life and editor-backed credibility but prefer a sleeker, magnetic mount and optional solar add-ons, the next camera offers that balance. Product number 4. Tapo MagCam 2K. First impression. MagCam 2K comes with credibility and PC Magnods Plus, a 4.3-star rating from 3,620 reviews and 1,000 sold last month. It markets itself as a feature-rich, wire-free option with a magnetic mount and a big 10,000 mAh battery claiming up to 300 days. If you want a camera that's easy to move, looks polished, and has options for subscription-free storage, check this out. Why this solves your problem? The magnetic mount is a genuine everyday convenience. You can reposition the camera in seconds without tools, which matters if you tweak angles frequently. 2K QHD with a 142 field of view gives 1.7x the pixels of 1080p, so you get clearer faces and details. The Starlight Sensor Plus built-in spotlights deliver full-color night images. The 10,000 mAh battery and optional solar panel, sold separately, promise long stretches between charges, claims up to 300 days. You also get person and vehicle detection, and the option for SD storage without mandatory subscription, which matters if you hate monthly fees. Honest flaw and why it's still worth it. Some users report the app's Google streaming is limited and that cloud features push paid plans. Also, the solar panel is extra cost if you want continuous power. Here's the thing though, the base experience battery life, magnetic mount, and editor endorsements means you get a polished camera that's easy to live with. If you need built-in solar or seamless Google integration, this may frustrate you. Who should buy this? Ideal if you want a reliable, well-reviewed camera with excellent battery claims and flexible mounting. Skip it if you need included solar power or worry about app lock-ins. For many, the balance of design and battery life is worth the price. Finally, if you love the features but want the cheapest option that still packs 2K and dual-band Wi-Fi, the last pick targets budget buyers. Product number 5. realhide CB54. First impression. The CB54 mirrors a lot of features found in higher-priced models, but at $26.97, with a 4.4-star rating from 1,636 reviews and 4,000 sold last month. It advertises 2K UHD, full-color night vision, dual-band free cloud plus SD support, and up to 6-month battery life. If you want the most affordable camera that still claims pro-style specs, this is worth a serious look. Why this solves your problem. The 2K UHD sensor and color night vision mean that even at night you can often identify faces or package labels, exactly what matters if something goes missing. Dual storage options, cloud and local SD up to 256 GB, address the main fear buyers have: losing footage if drops. Dual band support reduces lag and improves live view responsiveness on crowded networks. The IP66 weatherproofing and the 6-month battery claim keep it usable on porches and fences where power outlets aren't available. Honest flaw and why it's still worth it. I'll be honest, some buyers flagged spotty app support and that the free cloud runs at SD quality unless you pay. Others noted battery life varies with activity. Here's the thing. For under $27 you get dual band and local SD backup, which makes it a practical budget buy if you avoid heavy continuous motion zones. If you need flawless cloud HD without local cards, this isn't ideal. Who should buy this? Buy this if you want 2K and color night vision on a tight budget and plan to use an SD card for backups. Skip it if you need guaranteed HD cloud history or enterprise-level app support. For value, it's one of the best low-cost options. That wraps the 5 picks. Next, I'll summarize which works best for which situation. Quick verdict. For the cheapest 2K and color night vision, go with HITELLARCAM or realhide. For zero battery hassle, pick the AOSU Solar 360. If you want a subscription-free multi-camera setup with local storage, choose the AOSU WirelessCam Pro. If you want a polished, editor-backed option with long battery and magnetic mounting, pick the Tapo MagCam. Match the camera to how much sun, storage, and maintenance you actually want.